There is water on the moon. Nobody has ever touched it. 70 countries signed deals over it. The one robot sent for it fell over. Here is the race nobody talks about. The moon's south pole has craters that have not seen sunlight in 2 billion years. Inside them, it is 25 Kelvin, colder than Pluto. Cold enough that water delivered by comets billions of years ago never left. In 2020, a flying telescope found water even in the sunlit dust, but only 100 to 400 parts per million. The good stuff is down in the dark. So why does anyone care about frozen dirt? Because water is hydrogen and oxygen are rocket fuel. A gas station on the moon means never lifting fuel out of Earth's gravity again. That is the pitch. Here is the problem. NASA's own analysis says lunar fuel would cost 97% more than shipping it from Earth, and 35 years to break even. The number everyone quotes, 50 kilowatt hours per kilogram, is per kilogram of hydrogen. Per kilogram of actual propellant, it is about 6. The press is off by 9 times. And still, everyone is going. NASA narrowed its landing sites from 13 regions down to 9. One ridge is in sunlight 95% of the time. Its longest night is 5 days. Solar power that almost never stops, sitting right beside ice that never melts. Subscribe if you want more of this, and tell me in the comments who you think gets there first. 70 countries have now signed the Artemis Accords. China and Russia run a rival program with 17 members. Serbia signed both. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty says no nation can claim the moon by any means. It says nothing at all about what you do with what you dig up. A separate treaty does cover that. 17 countries signed it, and none of them are going. So countries wrote their own laws instead. The United States, Luxembourg, Japan, the Emirates, Italy. The accords say extraction does not inherently constitute a claim. That word is doing a lot of work, and they allow safety zones, areas you politely ask others not to enter, which is not ownership, officially. The United Nations is drafting real principles. Target date, 2027. Meanwhile, in reality, 0 grams of lunar water have ever been extracted. The one attempt tipped over on landing, and the drill never ran. The rover built to map the ice was canceled at 80% complete, revived, handed off, and is at risk again. We are writing property law for something we have never once held in our hands, and this is only one of 9 missions arriving this year. The whole calendar is a video of its own.